guys, so I'm here for my first meal for today. Before I take my first meal, I'm going to take a shot of apple cider vinegar. I usually take this before the gym, but I didn't have time this morning. And then I'm going to take a cranberry vitamin. Before the gym, I took some pre-workout, the Psychotic, the gummy candy one. Super tasty. But yeah, so I'm about to take these and then I'll have my meal. So I'm going to have a bagel in half with I toasted the bagel on both sides with half of a cheese slice on each one, and I just fried an egg and I seasoned it, or I just topped it off with the everything but the bagel seasoning. The bagel that I'm using is this Dave's Killer Bread bagel. You guys saw in my last What I Eat in a Day video, I made my burger with the bread. They also have bagels, and I think they have flatbreads as well. Some people were telling me that it was really difficult for them to find. It's in the organic section of like the bread aisle, and I got this from Walmart, so a lot of you guys asked me about that. For one bagel, it's actually 12 grams of protein, which is super awesome. And then the eggs are 6 grams of protein each, so I'm already at what, like 18 grams of protein, not counting the cheese, because the cheese does have protein as well. Which is not bad for my first meal. I'm also going to have 2 little oranges. The best thing to do is to make sure that you are eating a lot of protein-based foods. So I am just making sure that no matter what I eat, no matter how much I eat, I want to make sure it's a large amount of protein. So I'm excited to eat this. Today I hit arms, so this is going to be so perfect. I'm having a donut after my breakfast. And yeah, because I'm all about balance. So when your body wants a donut, just give it to it. That's how I feel. So as you guys saw, I made my smoothie a little bit thicker this time, and I added toppings. I don't get to do this every day, so it's definitely one of my like off day treats that I like to do. I made it a little bit thicker this time by adding less liquid, and I topped it with some sliced almonds on both sides because I love almonds. I topped it with coconut flakes and a vanilla granola from Fit and Active. And that is what I'm going to have for my midday snack. It's 2:30 p.m. Okay, so I'm starting dinner now since it's about pretty much that time to go ahead and start making it. I'm going to be doing mini pizzas, and I just bought these little thin crust things from Walmart, and there's so many crust options you could do. You could do pita breads, you could do like flatbread sandwiches. There are just so many options for you to do a pizza. So I'm actually gonna make 2 pizzas, one on this thin and crispy thing, and then probably one on this pita bread for Nevaeh's dinner. She's probably only gonna eat half of that, but I can eat the other half. But yeah, so these come with 3. I'm only gonna have 1. It's just me. If it was me and Damon, I'd probably make all 3, but it's just me and Nevaeh. And I don't know if she would want this like crispy crust because she's a baby. She likes bread. So I'm not really sure how I want to do that yet, but all I know is one of those are going to be the crust. So I chopped up some bell pepper. I just chopped up some orange bell pepper. I have like red, yellow, but I'm just going to do a little bit of orange. I'm chopping up some mushrooms here. These baby Bella mushrooms, they're pretty big, so I am kind of chopping them up a little bit smaller. And then this is some spinach that I'm going to put on the pizzas as well. And then the cheese I got is just this shredded cheese. Probably going to put a little bit of cheddar on it too. I'm going to saute these veggies first along with the spinach, just so it shrinks down and it'll be easier to fit on the pizza. You could definitely put it on there raw if you wanted like more of a fresh type of pizza, but I kind of want it to be a little bit smaller. So okay, so now the veggies have kind of sauteed like midway through. I'm gonna go ahead and add my spinach, and like 2 handfuls should be good. Okay guys, so I thought I had pizza pans, but I actually don't, which is awkward. Anyway, so I've got one of the thin and crispy pizzas here, and then one pita bread here. Okay, so I'm just gonna take, oh, and I didn't even show you guys, I'm using this Prego pizza sauce. Honestly, pizza sauce is super easy to make. All you gotta do is just take like tomato paste, heat it up, add garlic, onion, whatever. Super quick and easy, honestly. Like, this is probably the easiest, quickest route to like eat better. If you feel like you want to eat bad. Same with like my veggie burgers, like the black bean burgers I do. I just feel like you definitely could have, you know, good things, but basically make it yourself and it's not as bad. I'm gonna add the cheese. I'm just using this mozzarella shredded cheese thing here. And if you have like, if you could grate your own mozzarella, that'd probably be better. That'd probably be better. And topping options are like endless. If I had black olives, I would definitely do black olives. But you could do pepperonis, you could do sausages, you could do chicken, shrimp. Well, I might do that one day, make a shrimp one. Now I'm going to take my mixture of spinach and mushrooms and bell peppers and just top the pizzas. So I'm getting like kind of fancy here, but you really don't have to do all of these toppings. Like I said, if you just want to get you some pepperonis or like just cheese pizza, because I love cheese pizza, like I could throw down on some cheese pizza. Nevaeh likes this stuff on pizzas, thank God. She's good at eating veggies and stuff. Little bit of more cheese. And I'm gonna leave them in the oven for 10 minutes, 10 to 12 minutes. It shouldn't take that long. I've had my oven preheated for a while, so we'll see. And there are the pizzas. Okay guys, 12 minutes later, pizza is ready. This is my pizza, and then this is Nevaeh's pizza. And I think I'm just gonna have this. You can have like a side salad or like veggies on the side, but I think I'm just gonna eat this. I don't feel like I'm gonna be that hungry. I'm still kind of full from that smoothie bowl, believe it or not. And then I'm just gonna have this cherry limeade sparkling water. This is so good. It tastes like cherry Sprite, so I love it. It's definitely a really healthy alternative if you want something, you know, a little bit more creative but still healthy. You've got veggies on here, you've got spinach, you've got bell peppers, mushrooms, you know, so it's definitely a really healthy option whenever you kind of want something a little bit naughty. My pizza is super piled high. Hers is not, so hers actually looks like a legit pizza. Mine looks like a tostada or something. But anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys have any questions or comments, concerns, leave them down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Remember to thumbs up so I'll keep making these.